Welcome. Today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google feature of Google Assistant on this device. So first let's just launch the Google application, and after that we should tap on the right upper corner, then click here to the settings and tap to voice. After that select here voice match and you'll see the Hey Google switcher. Just to activate this option we should click on the switcher, click to next, tap to yes I agree, click to continue, and after that we can see that the Hey Google feature successfully activated. And now we should add our voice model here. So just say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And after that we can see that the Hey Google feature is ready. Let's just tap here to the finish, and when we'll say Hey Google or okay Google, we can see that this feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.